Hello there and most welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about the transition tower and SAP 2000 software. So I will go here to create new model here, then initialize model and the default units and material. After that I will select here the template as a 3D truss. I will select here and I will come here the transmission tower 1. Now here the elevation will be 5 and here it will be 18 and 4 elevation will be 15 and then 20. After that it will be 28, 30 and also the last one will be 34 or 33. Okay, so it's like from starting from down and going up as a elevation, like 9 point in total. So in elevation like we have 5, 10, 15 and then we have 20, 25 and 28 here, and we have 30 and 33 here with this 2 and here 0 and 1 and 0. After that I am coming here to the section properties and codes. I will just click the plus sign and import. Here I will select steel, fill L angle. This time I will choose here as a euro code. Here I am coming down. Here we have here as a euro code here. So I will select this time the euro code, not like American standard. Then I will press open. Then I am coming here down to select here L50 by 4. Like we have 24, we have like 45 here, but I will select here L50 by 4. Then I will press OK and I will select here material as a rebar material, and you can just change here the modification here as well, modifiers for section properties, and also you can press OK. So I will choose the same section for chords and braces as well. After that I will press OK. So this is our transmission tower wire structure. Okay, now I am coming here to the XY plane and going up here to the top. Then I will select here this draw frame cable and I will select here that sections which I have defined and I will close. Now I'm coming here to select here this section and here I will close that one and I draw a line here with these grid points and here as well. Then afterward I'm going here to draw and here coming to draw and snap to end and midpoints. I will close this one and I will just connect this with this midpoint here. I will just select here. I am coming here to draw, snap and end point, and I will close. I am coming here to connect here and here as well. Then the same I am doing here to connect with this midpoint and this midpoint here. Okay, then I will just connect these points as well. The same I'm doing here for both sides here, and here I will do the same to connect these grid points and here as well. Then after that I'm coming here to delete this line, okay, and this line as well. Delete and press delete. Then I will select all these points and here the same for this side. Then I am coming here to edit and coming to edit lines and divide frames here, and I will select break out intersections and I apply and OK. Then I am coming here to select all those lines, extra lines which I do not want, and I will select all that lines and I will just press delete. Okay, I will select all those lines here as well, and here this line and the same as for this line, and here another one is this line, and I will press delete. Okay, I will make it little bit zoom and will select other lines as well. Here I will select this line and the same as this line. I will press delete. So now I'm coming here again to select frame cable, and I will close this one, and I will connect this 2 point here as well, and with this point. Now I will connect this grid point here and with this point, and the same I'm doing here for this point as well, and here the same I'm doing here that side, this grid point, and the same I'm doing here, the same to make it as a truss, and connect this and connect this grid points. The same I will do here and here as well. Connect these 2 points as well, and here this point, and connect with these points, and the same here. Connect these grid points and these grid points. Look here, we have created the structure as a, we look here as a, here we will rotate. Now I will select all these nodes, both. I can make it zoom. I will make it zoom little bit, and here you can just so escape. Select this node here and this node as well. Then I'm coming here to edit, and here to the extrude and extrude points here. It will be the same section here, and here it will be z-axis. It will be minus 1.6 meter, and how many copies? 1. And here I will press OK. Look here, we have extruded these points, and you can just look here. So we have extruded these points. Now again I will make it like here. Then now I will come here to the XY plane, and I will select all these lines here, and the same I will draw here as well. Okay, then I will come to 3D and will make it zoom little bit. Okay, bring it down, and I will select these lines as well. Then I will extrude. I am coming here to extrude here, edit, replicate, and I am coming here to edit, and you can just select replicate or press Ctrl R. Then after that, like I will pick 2 points, I will make it a little bit zoom, and here I can make it zoom. So I will extrude here, it is like pick 2 point here. I will select this grid point and this grid point, then apply. Okay, it has been extruded, and okay, then I will get previous selection back, previous selection, and I will extrude again, Ctrl R, and will pick 2 point here, pick 2 point, will select this point, and here this grid point. Then I will apply, and okay. So we have extruded the same for these 2 points as well. Okay, press OK again. We have this transmission tower. So this is our transmission tower, and you can just here you can just select this tower, and you can just replicate, Ctrl R. Then afterward, like we have many transmission tower. For example, I would like to replicate it as a 20 or 15 meters, for 25 like 20 meter. And how many copies? Like I want to copy it 3 number. Then I will press apply, and okay. So 3 transmission tower 20 meter distance with each other. So I will make it 3D. So we have 1 2 3 4 transmission tower. So this is our transmission tower. I can just select this tower, and I will replicate, Ctrl R. Then afterward, like I would like to replicate this tower like 30 meters or 35 meter distance with each other. And how many copies? 3 copies I would like to just make, and I will apply, and okay. Now we have 4 transmission towers like distance 30 meters with each other, and you can just increase the distance like whatever you require. Okay, just come here, view, and you can just select here show grids or Ctrl D. The grid will be removed. So this is our transmission towers. Now I'm coming here for a cable. Then I will select here this draw frame or cable, and I will select here as a cable here, and I will select the cable 1 here. I will close this one. Now I am coming here to select this point and also this point, then I will come here to this cable geometry, and I will select here as a cable is cable 1, and the cable type is here it is maximum vertical sag. Then here is the deformed maximum vertical sag. It will be like 2 meter, like it is not that much distance. Or you can just change this deformed vertical sagging, and I will choose here. I will select, and here I will select use deformed geometry for the cable object. Then I will press OK. This is our cable, and you can just change here something if you want. Then I will come here again. I will rotate a little bit. I'm coming here and I will just come here, and the same I am doing here again. I will select here, and the same cable I will select this point, and here I will select here this transmission tower point. Then afterward I will cable geometry, and I will select here cable type as a here maximum vertical sag. It is cable 1, and here deformed is like, for example, 2 meters, where you can just change and use geometry. And here okay, created these 2 cables for these 2 transmission lines, and then I will copy to other sides as well. Like for example, I am coming here to select, and here select and properties, and here frame section, and I will select. Now I'm coming here to select both these cables. I am coming here properties and cable properties. Here I will select here the cable 1 and close. Then I will replicate. I will press Ctrl R, and here I will pick 2 points, and here I will select this point and this point as well. Then I will apply and okay. So I have replicated both that lines or cables to another side as well. Look here, and the same I'm doing here. I will get previous selection, okay, or I can just select I will get previous selection. I am coming here get previous selection. Then I will just little bit rotate that one. Then I am coming here again to replicate. I am coming edit, and here to the replicate. Here I will pick 2 points. I will select this point, and here this time that point, and I will apply and okay. So I have replicated these cables to other sides as well. I will press OK. So like look here, now here the distance is not that much, it is 20 meters. So like if the distance is like 60 meter, so you can just increase the sagging deformed, and you can just do the same as I have done for these cables as well. Okay, or let me increase the spacing here as well. Like here I will just select this tower, and I will replicate here. I will replicate this one, like it will be 0, and it will like the distance I would like to here like 35 meter, and here apply and okay. Like look here, I have duplicated this tower like 35 meter. I will make it here, and I will just decrease a little bit. Now I would like just to replicate this tower to like more distance, and here I will change here the distance will be 35, and here I will just apply one copy and okay. Then look here, I have replicated that tower, so I will select and delete this one. Now here is the more distance. Now I will select here, and look here we have much more distance, and the same I will do here to create a cables here, and here I will select here. I am coming a little bit here. I will select here, and I will come here to properties, and here cable properties, these cables, and I will duplicate, Ctrl R. Then I will come here to pick 2 points. Here I will select this point, and here this point. I will just apply and okay. So now I'm coming here to draw the cables here, because I cannot replicate these cables because the distance is different. Here is 20 meter distance, and here is 32 meter distance. Then that's why I will select here this point and coming here to this point. Then here the cable geometry, and I will here select here the maximum vertical sagging, and here the deformed maximum vertical sagging will be 2.6 meter, and here use deformed geometry, and I will select okay. It is a cable, and the same I will do here for these sides as well. So I will just select here what I will select. I will select here this cable here. I will just select this cable and I will replicate, Control R. Here I will just select, I will make it here. I will select here, pick 2 points, and I will select here the cable, and I will select this point and here this point as well. Then after that I will select here the cable geometry as a here maximum vertical sag, and here will be 2.6 meter, and use deform geometry. Here it is showing all the information here. I will select OK. So it is a cable. Then I will select both these cables, and I will just come here and select both these cables, and I will replicate, Control R. I will just select, pick 2 points. I will select this point and this point, then I will apply and OK. So I have replicated these 2 cables. The same I will do here, get previous selection, and here I will just replicate. I am coming here to pick 2 points. I will select this point and here this point, apply, OK. Look here, I have created, so the cables has been completed for both transmission tower distance. Like we have different distance here, that is why sagging here is more and here is less. Okay, so it is our transmission towers. Now after that I am coming here to define here the load pattern. So it is dead load and it will be wind X, and here type is wind, here wind, and the code will be like you can use American Society of Civil Engineering 716, or this time I will give us here I will give us Euro code here, Euro code, and I will add, and the same I will do here for wind Y axis as well, the same code. Okay, then I will do the modification. Now I will modify wind X, modify, and here I will use exposure, and this time wind velocity is 100 and meter per second. For you can just change 120, and here category is 2, and after that you can just change other factor as well, and here wind direction is 0 for this one, and here other factor is like correct here, or you can just change, and exposure height is program determined or calculated by a program. Then I will press OK. The same I will do for wind Y as well, and I will change here to 120, and here category is 2. After that it is 90, so it is Y, and here it is exposure height is program calculated, and I will press OK, then OK again. Now I am coming here to define load case here. Now I am coming here to the load cases, and here other is OK. I will add copy, and here for wind X, and it is X negative, and here it is -1 factor, and so I will modify, and again I will press OK. The same I am doing here for Y, add a copy of this load case, and it is Y negative direction, and here -1 factor, scale factor, and modify and press OK. So then OK again. Now everything completed. I will just save this structure and will go for analysis. Okay, it is transmission tower. So I will just set load case run, and we will do not run model and do not run, and other is OK, and run now. So analysis has been completed. Here to define, and here the load combination, and add default and still frame, and will OK. But I will do not just add, and I will just convert compose to nonlinear. So convert to nonlinear case, and I will like all these will be converted to nonlinear cases. OK, OK, and press OK. 36 combos were selected, and 36 combos were converted as a nonlinear. OK, and press OK again. Now I am coming here to the load case. Look here, all are these nonlinear static. OK, now I am coming here to still frame and here start design check, or you can just go here and come here and select here for still and start design check. Okay, and now I will come here to design and here and start design check. So the check will start, and afterward we can look at its result. Looks many sections are overstressed. Then I will just change its cross sections. I'm coming here again, here define section, and here the frame sections I will change here, like import new and L, and here this time I will change here to here L 80 by 6 here, and it is okay, and press OK, then again OK. I will select here, come here, select and properties, select and frame sections, select the previous frame sections and close, then assign and frame section, and here this new cross section apply. OK, then we'll start run analysis again. Then here the model will not run and run now, so we will analyze it again after the reanalysis. So now again I am coming here to the start still design check, here check of structure. I will press again. So after reanalysis, all those members which was filled in the previous analysis process, then now it is passed. So look here now, like here we have one in red color, that means it is overstressed. So only one member, this one, is overstressed, other all successfully like passed the design check. So our design and analysis of this structure for this transmission tower is correct now. Previously, like it was all the members were overstressed. Now it is okay because I have increased the cross section for the frame elements. So thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you learned many things from it. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and stay tuned for other informative updates. Bye bye.